G'day everyone, it's Chriso. I've just turned my radio off, all the bullshit news that's on. Right now, it's first thing in the morning. So what I'm going to do is shoot up this wall, and then I'll do that part. Then I'll put my cabinet in and I can go around it, which is cool. I'll do that after I put this cabinet in. Yeah, so I'll do this, put the cabinet in, finish that off. Do my niche, do up there. Today I should have this finished and ready for grout. Tomorrow is Anzac Day, so I won't be here tomorrow. I come back Friday, so I'll be grouting it Friday. I've got to do my arcs here. That's cool. I've got a bit to do today, but all sort of fiddly small stuff which I'll get through fairly easily. Okay, let's get cracking. My glue's just a little bit soft, but I'd rather it that than too dry. There's another quarter of an hour or so. It'll be just right. I don't have to worry about my lines going vertical with water because there's no water. On that wall. I bloody don't like these walls though, eh? You know? These doors, I should say. Internal slider, I reckon they're as fiddly and shitty as ever. Where's my trowel? Little bit of adjustment. good to go. Yeah, these four I laid just before I went home last night. Always when you come back to them the next day, like that's just a smidgy ditch out, so I've had to adjust it, and that's the beauty of these small wedges. They're brilliant. This is a 15mm trowel I'm using. Beautiful. It's going to be a gorgeous day on the coast today. We have sort of had a bit of showery weather for the past couple of days. Today's beautiful. We still might get a slight shower. Today, but I don't know, at the moment it's beautiful. So it's a day off tomorrow. We'll go to the beach, walk our little Susie. Give our thanks to what a wonderful life it is, what a wonderful country we live in, all that jazz. Get a coffee on the way, beauty. Life's good. Bloody gorgeous. I also need to go around the top as well today, but that's all part of it. once you get in the flow, DIYs, it's all just sort of one tile at a time, and you bang them up. Always checking your lines. Beautiful, I like it. Is that just starting to open up a little? That's good. I reckon there's way too much movement in a sliding internal door. Never mind. This all helps to, tiles on the wall helps to strengthen it all up. Right, I'll be back shortly. I'm just going to go out and get some more tiles. Back in a minute. Cool. Yeah, so this next job that's coming up, in the entranceway it was all slate, which is out of date. Now it's all been taken up. Right, one more row. Yeah, so as I was saying, this next job is slate entranceway which has been taken up, and the owner is taking up the carpet in the lounge area. He wants to see me today because he wants to ask a couple of questions, so I said I'll be there between 3 and 4. I'm not sure what time, but between 3 and 4. Same area as what I'm in now, Rabina. So that's not too bad. All good. Got to do a little bit of adjustment. bloody beautiful possums. That's beautiful. Here's a couple of wedges. That's one. Another wedge. Goodly doodly. It's not bad. Okay, so that door jamb is slightly out. Right, I've got to cut a couple of bits of architrave for there, and then yeah, I'll do my tiles, and then I'll do the miters. See you in a minute.